Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for lawnfawn. Today I'm sharing a cheerful encouragement card featuring a little stenciling and die cutting, so let's get started. First, I die cut the puffy cloud backdrop portrait die from white cardstock. Each of those clouds actually cuts all the way through the cardstock, so I just trim off the ends of the top 3 clouds with my scissors. Next, I die cut another piece of white cardstock with the largest stitched rectangle stackable to pair with my clouds. The stitched edge isn't an exact match, but it's close enough for me. Finally, I'm using the new corner rainbow stencils for today's card, and I start by temporarily taping the top layer onto my panel. I make sure that the ends of the rainbow will be covered by my cloud panel, and then add sticky notes to cover up the open arches of the rainbow. I blend Kitsch Flamingo Distress Oxide ink over the top arch of the rainbow. In hindsight, I could have carefully moved my post-it notes and blended all 3 arches of the stencil at the same time, or used a smaller brush, but I didn't think about that at the time. To save time, you might try doing that, but make sure you carefully wipe your excess ink off before moving the post-its. Instead, I remove my post-its and tape the other stencil layer onto my panel. This time, I blend saltwater taffy Distress Oxide ink over the second arch. I repeat this process, alternating between the different stencil layers using salvaged patina, tumbled glass, and shaded lilac. Once I'm done, I use the stencil to trace the basic shape of the rainbow onto a piece of scrap paper and fussy cut it to create a mask. I temporarily tape the mask in place and then blend Salty Ocean Distress Oxide ink over the sky. I blend the same oxide ink over the tops of my clouds using post-it notes to mask the bottom of each cloud layer. When I'm done, I blend over the entire cloud panel to soften any hard edges. I use my heat gun to dry the Distress Oxide ink and then place both panels in my splatter box. Then I add a few drops of lawnfawn liquid stardust to a spray bottle and fill it with water. I spray the panel to get a soft shimmer across everything, and then add splatters of the liquid stardust for even more sparkle. I set that aside to dry while I work on the rest of the card. Next, I stamp a sentiment from Rain or Shine before and afters onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with gold embossing powder before trimming it down to a thin label. Once my blended panels are dry, I use HG adhesive to adhere the cloud panel to my rainbow panel. Then I add my sentiments with foam tape strips for a little more dimension. I also add a sun from the Spring Showers die set die cut from gold glitter cardstock and tuck it behind the clouds. I pull up some of the sun rays for depth and interest. Finally, I add a few sparkling clear sequins to finish the card. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the lawnfawn channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!